Your weight should be in your heels and your knees should not be going past your toes.
Come on, we're gonna work those abs. Warm your abs up right now. We're gonna warm them up. Remember, a good way to trim those abs down is do body twists. Now, add the punches to the body twist. Add the punches, that's it. Remember, punch shoulder to shoulder. Punch shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder to shoulder. That's it. Shoulder to shoulder. Work it. Work it. Work it. One more set. Work it. Come on. Work it. That's it. Work it. Work it. Work it. One more set. Work it. Come on. Work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Now back to body twist. Twist. Come on. Tighten those abs up. Tight. Come on. Twist. Now step in. Hold. Twist. Come on. Give me a nice twist. Twist. Let's go. Twist. 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 Come on. Twist. Now get the shoulders going. Bring the shoulders to the center line. Center line. That's it. Come on. Tighten those abs up. Work it. Work it. Work it. That's it. Twist. Twist. Last set of 8. Work it. Work it. Now sit back down. Give me body twist. Body twist. Go.
Like it or not, whether it's right or wrong, people and society as a whole are at this very moment judging you on your appearance. There's no getting away from it. A person who's in shape, muscular, whose clothes fit well, is seen as a person who has their life together, a successful person, and also as a good catch by the opposite sex. While the person who's overweight is seen as someone who's lazy, someone who has no self-respect, no self-control, and someone who can't control their eating habits. In short, an overweight person in today's society is treated like a second-class citizen, someone to be disgusted by. Have you ever felt like that? Like a second-class citizen? I know you have. Well, that's all about to change. Whether you're young or old, male or female, or failed 1,000 times with every diet or weight loss gizmo you ever tried, even if you have bad genes, bad luck, or downright think you've heard it all when it comes to losing weight, it's not your fault that you're fat. And in this short 6-minute video, which will be gone in a few days, I'll tell you why it's not your fault and show you how to burn off that ugly stomach fat super fast and to get that lean, flat stomach that will drive the opposite sex crazy. Imagine, after applying the tips shown in this video, the new you walking down the street in your best-looking trendy outfit that fits so much better. You walk past a group of hot-looking people, and instead of them laughing at you like they usually do, they all stop and stare and enviously look at your hot body that just 4 months ago you didn't have. Do you want to lose your excess body fat without the struggle and become hot and attractive to the opposite sex? Do you want to go through life a leaner you without having to feel excluded from life by the lean and attractive people who look down on you?
Hey everyone, my name is Vicky Justice, bikini model from Miami, Florida. Today I'm going to show you an at-home butt building workout that you can do at home. It's very simple. All you need is a dumbbell. I'm going to be using a 10-pound dumbbell. You can use 5, 10, 15 pounds, whatever you have and whatever challenges you. So grab your dumbbell and let's do it. So we're going to start off by doing some hopping squats with your dumbbell. So just hold your dumbbell up here and you're going to squat down low and hop back up. We're going to do about 15 to 20 reps. Let's do it. Make sure you're going slow and controlled on your way down and you're pressing up from your heels. Your weight should be in your heels and your knees should not be going past your toes. This exercise is great to really build up your butt and tone your thighs. Go as low as you can, explode up. Keep your back straight and your core tight. Alright, now take a few seconds to rest and we'll move on to our next exercise. That was set number 1. You want to rest about 90 seconds and do 2 more sets for 3 sets total. Now we're going to do some one leg squats holding the dumbbell. So you're going to grab your dumbbell in one hand, and you're going to want to use a bench or a chair, anything to put your foot on. So get into a comfortable stance, put your foot behind you, make sure your weight is on that front leg, and we're going to do 15 per leg. So basically, you're just going to squat down and come back up. Most of your weight should be at